Exactly guys, that's what I'm trying to say कि हमारी ऑफ कैमरा ही बात होती है। आप लोग जितना देखते हो वो 1-1.5 घंटे में देखते हो, हमारी ऑफ कैमरा बहुत बातें होती है। आप लोगों को दिखता ही होगा कि कौन अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखा रहा है और कौन मेरा नाम ले लेके आगे बढ़ रहा है। You know, मैंने जो डिसीजन लिया था अबाउट कनेक्शन वाइज, तो आप लोग ने भी सोचा होगा कि मैंने क्यों ऐसे किया, बट अगेन यू गाइज गॉट द रियलिटी, सो व्हाई वुड आई रन बिहाइंड समवन हु हैज अ कनेक्शन।
On a Saturday night, 2 shots in and she feeling just right. Call up her girlfriends, rush to the club, tryna squeeze them hips in a dress so tight. You love her.
Anisha defines how to choose dumb men over good ones. I won't even troll her on this, it's just relatable at this point. Laugh my ass out. Oh my god. Exactly. I know, मतलब आप लोग समझते हो लड़कियाँ, you know now what I'm trying to say. So basically even eventually I thought कि you know मैंने जो decision लिया था about connection wise, तो आप लोग ने भी सोचा होगा कि मैंने क्यों ऐसे किया, but again you guys got the reality. So why would I run behind someone who has a connection? So yeah, I don't think so it was dumb. I just connected with someone जो मुझे actual connection जिसके साथ feel हुआ. So yeah, teaser देखा next episode का. I hope गुल्लू takes a stand for Anisha. वरना it looks like वो आज अकेले ही सबसे लड़ रही है. To be very honest, regardless of him taking a stand for me or not, doesn't matter because I know how to take a stand for myself and वो आप लोगों को आगे वाले episodes में दिख ही जाएगा कि मैंने खुद का stand लिया है. She looks like she has gotten some work done on her face. वाह, is it true or does she naturally have those defined features? I mean, अगर आप लोगों को लगता है तो समझो, but I have not done anything. Literally, it's so funny that people think I have done something on my face. Like legit, आज तक मैंने कुछ नहीं करवाया, but ठीक है, अगर मैं इतनी खूबसूरत हुई तो obviously it's a compliment. But yeah, I'm natural by the way. I have literally not done anything. It felt scripted, and even the way Anisha was so close to Gullu's face was so weird. Even her holding his hand, laying on his lap, being super touchy. I shouldn't say it, but it looked really cheap. I said it what I said. You guys tell me, एक लड़की खुद से क्यों करेगी? Obviously, when a guy makes the girl comfortable, that is why मैं इतनी comfortable हुई. अगर वो इतना मेरे साथ comfortable मुझे feel नहीं करवाते, तो obviously मैं भी नहीं होती. So you guys need to think why I got comfortable. So yeah. Use your brains. Anisha needs to learn camera awareness. भाई ये गुल्लू और अनीशा कैमरा देखते हैं पहले, फिर एक दूसरे को पकड़ना चालू करते हैं. गुल्लू kissed her on the shoulders and अनीशा सीधा कैमरा में देखी कि कैप्चर हुआ ना. Girls, stop making it so obvious. Guys, come on. You need to understand कि for me also it's my first reality show. मेरे सामने अगर मुंह पे कैमरा आ रहा है तो obviously मैं कहाँ देखूँ? Obviously it's a natural thing कि मेरा नजर जाएगा उधर. So we didn't plan or anything something like that. It was just normal and I did feel that connection with Gullu. So to be very honest, I don't care. It's okay. आपको जो समझना है समझो. Anisha's wardrobe is to die for. Thank you so much. Well, the only thing I like about her is dressing. Okay, ठीक है. Still, it's a compliment. She gives so old money vibe. She looks so classy and proper. P.S. Loved her recent dome outfit. Thank you so much. It's one of my favorite outfit also. So my mom sent me and yeah, obviously मैं इतना अच्छे से open up नहीं हुई in terms of dressing because बहुत जल्दी मैंने shopping कर दी थी and मैं नहीं इतना खुद का styling दिखा पाई. But thank you so much for all the love for my outfits and yeah, I'm so happy. Anisha today. Anisha was looking so pretty today. I don't know it is only me or not, but she looked aesthetically pretty today. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Her hair due to wind and how she was looking at Gullu. Bro, any guy would fall for this. Exactly. I mean, problem मेरे में नहीं है, तो obviously मैं इतनी अच्छी दिख ही रही थी उधर. So whatever it is, but thank you so much. And yeah, it was very windy. It was just me and him at that moment. And yeah, we did feel that spark that time. So yeah, even I had a good time. Let others explore. Anisha girl, are you okay? Are you Dora the Explorer? Yes, I am Dora the Explorer. Thank you. Because unless and until I don't find someone real, obviously I will explore. I mean, compatibility तो match होनी चाहिए ना. अगर compatibility match नहीं हो रही तो मैं क्या करूँ? Fake up करूँ? ठीक है, वो देख लोगे आप आगे वाले एपिसोड में. ये लड़की पूरा स्प्लिट्स विला एक्सप्लोर करते करते ही निकाल देगी. वो तो आप लोग देखो, मे बी निकाल भी लो, मे बी नहीं भी निकालो, वो तो आपको शो ही देखना पड़ेगा उससे. अनीशा इज मोर अनोइंग देन खुशी एंड द वे शी स्पीक्स टू मैन, वो भी पहले दिन से. बिगेस्ट पिक मी गर्ल, व्हाई यू गिगल विथ लिटरली एवरी मैन दैट अप्रोच यू. माई लाइफ, मेरा मुंह, मैं हंसूँ मैं रो, मेरी मर्जी. लाइक व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विथ this person जिसने भी लिखा है. But whatever, I will giggle, I'll talk to everyone, I will explore, and unless and until I don't find someone who matches my compatibility, obviously I will explore and I will giggle. शख्स कितना नौटंकी कर रहा है, उसकी स्प्लिट्सविला के बाहर गर्लफ्रेंड है तो सही, फिर क्यों इतना ड्रामा कर रहा है. You guys need to understand that's the game plan. अगर ये गेम प्लान से अगर स्टिक नहीं रहता तो obviously गेम प्लान खराब हो जाता ना. बट कोई नहीं, चलो इसके बारे में इतनी बात नहीं करनी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अनीशा कॉलिंग अदर मैन, व्हाट was that? Why did you go and call other men for अनुष्का? बहन, इतने मेल ऑब्सेस्ड हो तुम लोग कि अपने मर्द चाहिए एक 22 years old की लड़की को संभालने के लिए. That was so embarrassing to watch. Like, what was their need? So let me tell you this and clarify. So I didn't call them to protect myself. I called them to show her true colors because the way she was acting, she was going crazy. For you guys, it was a task कि आप लोगों को पता था ये उसको टास्क दिया, चैलेंज दिया. हमारे लिए ये चैलेंज नहीं था. हमारे रूम में आके she is picking up the clothes and just going and doing all this rubbish. Obviously मुझे उसके true colors दिखाने थे. And एक बार बोला अच्छे से, 2 बार बोला, then you expecting me to just keep quiet? No. Obviously मैं मेरे दोस्तों को बुलाया, मैंने अंदर and I showed them that how she was acting. So that's the answer for that. She is definitely smart and confident. I mean, she knows किसके साथ अच्छी बना के रखनी है and नहीं. You see, girl, I don't even like her a bit, but ठीक है, her speaking skills are nice. Slow speaking actually depicts intelligence and thoughtfulness. Obviously, I just don't blabber. मुझे जहाँ पता है बोलना है उधर only I say it. Apart from that, अच्छी बना के मैं pretend नहीं करी, मेरी actually में सबसे अच्छी बन रही थी और जिसके साथ नहीं बन रही है अभी तो वो तो आप देख ही रहे हो, रियलिटी पता तो चल गई है. So yeah, भाई, these 3 girls have no standard. Thank you so much. Anisha, Saundarya, Sadaf, hating on everyone doesn't make you look cool. First of all, if someone is doing wrong और जो हमारे साथ बुरा कर रहा है तो हम obviously हाथ पे हाथ डाल के तो बैठ नहीं सकते and we not keep quiet. So obviously and मेरे अगर दोस्तों के साथ बुरा हो रहा है तो obviously regardless I will take a stand for themselves. I mean, I will take a stand for them and that's what I did. So yeah, I don't think so it's anything wrong. और आप लोगों को जो समझना समझो कि हम झगड़ा लो है, ये है वो है, doesn't matter. I feel she is really dumb and she is trying too hard to be with Gullu because of the MTV का दामाद status. So just letting you know guys that आप लोगों को ड्रामा लगता होगा but yes, जो भी हमारा bonding था that was real I would say and yes we did feel that connection that time. I don't know about him because उन्होंने जो भी बोला in that part but yes I did feel that bonding with him that time. So yeah, guys, we are judging too much. अनीशा और गुल्लू की ऑफ कैमरा भी बातें होती. एग्जैक्टली गाइज, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि हमारी ऑफ कैमरा ही बात होती है. आप लोग जितना देखते हो वो 1-1.5 घंटे में देखते हो, हमारी ऑफ कैमरा बहुत बातें होती है. So you guys need to understand if we are comfortable with each other, there's a lot behind the camera. क्या पता उनको रियल लाइफ में कनेक्शन बन गया होगा. You never know. अनीशा को स्प्लिट्सविला से निकल जाना चाहिए. She deserves so much better. इन losers के बीच रहकर उसका स्टैंडर्ड ड्रॉप हो रहा है. She is way out of their league. That's really sweet by the way. But ऐसा कोई नहीं है, losers तो कोई नहीं है. Everyone is working hard and सब मेहनत कर आगे बढ़ने के लिए. And again it's a game show. सब अपना दिमाग लगाएंगे, सब हाथ पैर मारेंगे आगे बढ़ने के लिए. So it's fine. And again guys, chill. It's just a game. It's just a show. पूरी लाइफ आपकी डिपेंड नहीं हो रही है शो पे. So yeah, just chill. I think she looks more like Ariana Grande. Oh, is it? Is it? She gives that kind of vibe, like if she doesn't open her mouth, maybe because of her eyes. Thank you. अच्छा मेरी आंखें सुंदर है. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Just I don't know what to say. That's a sweet compliment. I never liked Anisha. ठीक है, आगे जाके ऐसा कुछ करूँगी, आप लोगों का वापस दिल जीत लूँगी, and you guys will again start loving me. So just wait and watch. It's just few episodes. And the recent episodes gave me more reasons to dislike her. Sis doesn't have her own brain. Try to act all classy and shit yet badmouth people for no reason. Starts having beef with them just because she's in Sadaf and Sandy's alliance. Laugh my ass out. I didn't see her individuality in the show at all. Will never understand why are people going crazy over her. So first of all, talking about this beef with them just because she is in Sadaf and Sandy's alliance. First of all, it's not an alliance. They are my very good friends, and obviously if कोई मेरे दोस्तों के साथ बुरा करेगा तो obviously I'm not gonna keep quiet. The next thing is individuality. I think आप लोगों को दिखता ही होगा कि कौन अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखा रहा है और कौन मेरा नाम ले लेके आगे बढ़ रहा है. So उधर तो पता ही चल जाता है कि कौन इंडिविजुअलिटी किसकी दिख रही है. And why are people going crazy over her? You are not going crazy over me, but there are a lot of people who are. So it's okay. I still love you guys. I'm so happy that I have you guys in my life. आप लोग इतना मेरे को प्यार दे रहे हो, इतना कि मुझे अगर हेट कमेंट्स भी आ रहे हैं तो मुझे नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता, बिकॉज आप लोगों का सपोर्ट ही बहुत मैटर कर रहा है. So thank you so much. She gives full Bandra soap for Daddy's little rich girl vibes. Thank you so much. It's a compliment only, and this is how I talk. I don't pretend. I don't fake. That's my real voice, and yeah, I really had a good time, and all the comments were fine only. I mean, it's आपका पर्सपेक्टिव, आप कैसे बोल रहे हो, आपको क्या लगता है मेरे बारे में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई विल मेक श्योर कि आप लोगों को अगर कोई भी चीज़ मेरे बारे में अच्छी नहीं लगी हो तो डोंट वरी, आगे वाले एपिसोड्स में आप लोग मुझे प्यार करोगे और मैं आप लोगों का वापस दिल जीतूंगी. सो आर वी डन डॉट मीडिया? हो गया ना? ठीक है, चलो लेट्स गो. नेक्स्ट टाइम बी पोलाइट, ओके? से यस. Good.